Today we're going to be changing the battery in this cartridge. The battery allows the game to save, and when it's dead, you can't save anymore. So gonna take it out, take the screw, test it, make sure there's no voltage. If there is voltage, then you might have another issue. This one was completely dead, so gonna put some flux on there to remove these tabs. Disconnect the old battery by just removing them like that real quick. Wipe it down, keep it clean. Now I'm going to be using a spot welder and just welding my little tabs here. If you don't have a spot welder, you can get an adapter for these batteries, so you don't have to do this process. However, if you have the tools, you might as well do it the easier way. You can also order these batteries with the tabs already, specifically for these games. But it's going to cost you more. Anyway, put some flux on the tabs, make sure you got negative and positive in the right place, and just solder them back in there. And we're going to clean it up, test it to make sure we're getting the voltage, 3.2, and we're good to go. Pretty easy. Throw it back in there, slide the case on. Oh, wipe that dirt, whatever that is. If you have dirt in there, might as well wipe it down. And we're good to go. Put the screw in and game's Gucci again.